The Clarendon police on Thursday, May 26th seized 2 firearms, a Glock pistol with the serial number erased, and a Carandi 9mm pistol with 2 magazines containing 18 rounds of assorted ammunition. The weapons were seized during an operation where 2 men were fatally shot by the police in Bucks Common, Clarendon, during what the police say was a violent confrontation. The police reported that a team was on surveillance patrolling the community when they were allegedly fired at initially by a one-man and subsequently by a group which later appeared. Following the exchange, 2 men were seen with gunshot injuries. They were assisted to hospital where they were later pronounced dead. The Kingston Eastern Police also seized 2 illegal firearms, a Glock pistol and a Taurus pistol with 15 rounds of assorted ammunition during a targeted operation on Berger Avenue, also on Thursday, May 26th. 3 people were arrested in connection with that seizure.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!